that smile off your face. Wipe it off your face. Wipe it completely off your face.
Because I'm covering my mouth now. I just covered it.
My country people, it's safe to say now that Cynthia is fully a fan of these two people. Like, I'm their shipper. I'm shipping both of them. Yes, I will even create a group for that. Maurice and Sonia Uche 2025. So if you're a lover of these two people, make sure you join that group. Yes, it's safe to say that I'm now obsessed with these two people. Like, I cannot even see any video, any movie where these two people did and I not go watch them. If a movie drop now, I'm rushing to wherever it is, to go and watch the movie. So this is the first live video these two people are making after Sonia's birthday. Now so the young man tell her, I beg, make you dey small, I be dey smile small. Your smile, whenever you smile, get as my body they do me. And so Sonia tell him, say, Oga, sabi say I no fit hide my smile. But because say na you, I go close mouth small. This live video sweet me, I no go lie. I go play the rest of the video, make we watch it together before I continue. Make sure you grab your popcorn, because this video go sweet you. Very well. So grab your popcorn, watch till the very end. Don't skip any part of this video. Make sure you watch till the very end. The last video of this video now will shock you, so watch till the end. Let's watch it together.
That smile off your face. Wipe it off your face. Wipe it completely off your face.
Because I'm covering my mouth now. I just covered it. Real greeter, thank you. See guys, allow me to talk now. See, the way you kept your face, I ever thought maybe your network, something happened to it again. Maurice, blink your eye, let me know you're still here. Real greater, thank you so much. You said I shouldn't smile. I'm not smiling. Maurice, make you guys. Maurice, why are you doing like this now? Maurice, why are you behaving like this? Maurice, you need to stop. I don't know what happened to Maurice. What is she passing this guy? Thank you so much, guys. Maurice, what's this now? You'll be doing this soon.
Because I'm speechless. She should continue.
Hey.
Continue. I have something. Don't worry. After this life, me and you have talk.
Sister. My precious darling sister Snipes. Thank you, baby. My sister is in the building. Go show her some love. So guys, let's go.
Don't show love to any Chineyen nebe. To any Chineyen nebe. Show love to every other person, bro. That Chineyen nebe. I'm so speechless today on this life. She should continue.
Hey.
Chineyen, continue. I have something. Don't worry. After this life, me and you have talk.
Sister. My precious darling sister Snipes. Thank you, baby. She, baby, in the building.
Who's in Nairobi?
Guys, my sister is in the building. Go show her some love. Woo!
I'm accepting sisters. If you know that you want to be my sister, I know lots of you may not want to be my you may not want me to be your brother.
I strong.
But at this point, I'm accepting sisters.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. AY strong.
At this point, I'm accepting sisters
and
family members and friends.
I beg now when you don't watch am, share it with you. Or you click the link on my bio, support your girl. As I dey bring news update to the tutorial body, I beg support your Amiibo Nation. Support me by clicking the link on my bio. Stay safe out there. See you guys on my next.